Yo, what is up, guys? How you guys doing today? German Muscle back with another legendary lit video. So went to the junkyard yesterday and got one of these things right here. This is an air compressor. Took it off of a Lincoln, but it should work because it's literally the same thing. I'm gonna pull all this crap out, disconnect it all, and then I'm gonna hook up the switch to this right here, and I'm gonna see if we can get this rear end to bring itself back up. So it's got airbags in the back, it's got regular springs up front, and gonna keep working on this car. It needs a floor pan, needs a transmission, and it needs a cover back on this, and I need to replace this because I ended up breaking that. So you have to stick this little knife in there and pound it in with those, and hopefully we can get this thing to raise itself up because we plan on moving pretty soon. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, so probably gonna get a U-Haul and put this bitch in, and then just try to drive this or have it pulled or something like that. So let's go ahead and get to work. First thing you need to do is take off this bolt right here. I think this one's actually pretty loose. Yeah, it might be loose. And then you just take this out right here, and then there's another one down there. Pull it up, get it out of the way. So I got it all hooked up. I don't know why, but I wasn't thinking about it. I probably should have just like took this out the right way, but the clip thing came off of this right here, so we have to wire it up like that. It just plugs into the prongs. So I went off of this one right here, and I think I got it hooked up right. So we're gonna turn the car on. Hopefully we ain't gotta mess with the freaking battery cables, and hopefully this thing doesn't jump around. I think it does, but hopefully it doesn't, so that way we can get the freaking air pumped up. I think it might kick. Yep, it did. So attempt number 2. Wow, third time's the charm. Oh wait, I forgot, I gotta hook up the max airflow sensor. I ain't even gotta start this thing, bro, because it came on. It came on, bro. Oh, that thing gets hot. Probably shouldn't be landing on that, but I mean, hold up, I gotta hook this hose up to it. Shit. So it's working because before I plugged in the hose, there's air coming out. So this thing should be pumped up. It should be pumping up. But let me try to secure this a little bit. Oh, there it goes. It's lifting up, dude. It's lifting up, baby. Yup, it's lifting up. Hey, so the air shocks ain't bad after all. Then again, they could be. I don't know. We gotta wait. So we know for sure that the air compressor is bad on this car. Well, the original one anyway. Let me come over here and make sure everything's Gucci. Shouldn't be laying down wearing all white, but look at dude. It's definitely doing something. Can't really tell over here because it came down. Should be good. Yep. Alright. This is how I did. I put the thing back in and all, but something might have came loose right here. There's always something. Alright, let me mess with this even more. I don't know, maybe it's gotta learn that the car is low or something. I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Hopefully it brings itself back up. Hopefully this thing kicks back on and should have a pumped up rear end. Make sure that the air switch is on real quick. It's on. Got it to come back on. I had to disconnect the battery cable and then turn it back on that way. But it should be inflating pretty soon, and once it does, I'll be able to remove the blocks of wood and stuff that I got back here. Hopefully they both come up. I feel it coming up a little bit, like a tiny little bit. It's going up, dude. It's working. All right. Can we see it? Oh shit. Oh, dude. Bro, it's sideways. The freaking airbag went sideways. Are you fucking serious, dude? Look at that. Can you guys see that? The airbag is fucking sideways. I'm trying to get like a good view for y'all, but shit. Well, this side is fully inflated, I think. This thing's still on. No, this thing kicked off, so damn. Well, at least I know that this works, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, and hopefully I can deflate that damn airbag and set it up properly on the damn rear end. But hey, at least the car's off the ground though. That didn't take long at all, dude. It only took about a minute, 2 minutes. Shit. Alright. Well, damn. Now I gotta turn it off. And I mean, this side's up too. I don't know how. But I need to turn the air suspension switch off in the trunk, then jack it up, and then get that sack on properly if I can. Hopefully it's deflated enough for me to do that, and hopefully it re-inflates. Alright, let me do that real quick. Oh shit, there goes a fucking airbag. It just exploded. Hopefully that one doesn't explode. Damn. I'm looking in the trunk, trying to find a jack so I can jack up the freaking car and get that airbag stacked up, and it just exploded. Somebody's like, oh my god, are you okay? I felt it hit my legs too. But damn. Now I gotta buy an air sack for my mom. That sucks. Oh, this side just went completely down. Damn, hopefully the other side don't go down. But I mean, hey, at least we still accomplished something today. We still got one of the stacks to come up. So it's all good. Scared the fuck out of me, bro. Sound like a gunshot, but like not as loud. But hey, we still gonna do it though, because I'm a mechanic. Psych. Holy crap, bro. This is why air suspension is so freaking dangerous, dude. Look at that. That piece of wood was solid, bro. It had no freaking damage to it at all. What? There's the sack, bro. It exploded. I think I might actually be able to reuse that if I can take that metal piece off right there. Might be able to put that back in there. Dude, it fucked that piece of wood up, dude. Wait until I show my mom, bro. I wonder what she has to say about it. I know she's probably gonna be pissed because I fucked up her airbag, but look at that, dude. I don't know how much PSI these bags hold, but damn, I just learned something today. That pieces of wood and airbag suspension do not mix, bro. Damn, dude. That is crazy, bro. Now I owe my mom another airbag. Well, a new one anyway. See, I had it all clipped in and stuff, but it came out. Right, here's this other piece of wood. See, look. See that piece of wood? These pieces of wood looked identical. And now this one is giving it the thumbs up, like what you guys should do to this video. So, well, I mean, get up high enough to remove the other freaking block of wood from the diff. Got that side aired up. I did turn off the air switch in the back in the trunk, so we shouldn't have any problems. Now I gotta try to get this air sac re-inflated to this piece right here and see if we can re-inflate it. If not, then hopefully the junkyard doesn't charge too much for them. I'll just go ahead and get 2 of them. Yeah, that piece is broke right there. So that little metal retainer piece is what holds it clipped into that right there. You can try to find a video on YouTube on how to remove the air sacs, but neither one of them that I've found anyway is like informative, because they're all like, this is how you do that, but they don't show you, they just tell you. This car hasn't been driven in so freaking long. Spiders started taking over, and these calipers are rusted out. Need to clean those up. Need to clean the rust off the frame. Need to get rid of that rust hole right there, that rot, and fix the freaking floor underneath. You guys want to see the floor? Peekaboo. But yeah, I need to fix all that crap. So, I mean, at least we got one thing done. We just need to probably put some more blocks in here to keep this side up until we get another airbag. That sucks, because damn, I probably should have just unplugged the cord and let this thing deflate, but I didn't catch it in time. So let me see if I can fix this real quick. Man, I should really start working on cars. So I tried to take this one out, but I think it's connected to the other one as well. So I think the other one's going to deflate too. I can see it right there. I think it's going to start deflating as well, because where I just try to take that out. So you know what, I'm just going to put this back up in there the way it was, put everything back together, and I'm not even going to mess with this dumb shit no more, bro. If I can keep that side inflated, then we good. I'll just have to get one from a junkyard, put it on. Hopefully that side doesn't go deflated or anything, because that would suck. But anyway, can't use that piece of wood no more, but we're going to use this one. I'm going to try to figure out how I can get this rear end to stay up on this side. And well, I'm going to put the wheel back on, and I'm going to call it a day. So got it to work though. Now we know that the air compressor works. I can take the old one out, rig something up to where I can get the new one to stay in there and get it all bolted up, get the plug-ins to work, and then call it a wrap. So I'll see you guys. So that's all I got for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bonus content. Got to stay up. Let's take this piece of wood, put it right there on top of that one. It's on the frame, so we're good. Got the jack down, and it's up in the air. Just need to throw this crap down there. Set this trunk. This side's still up. This side's up monster trucking, bro. So I need to take a picture of that so I know how everything goes. Unclip this one, take the old one out, rig up a way to put the new one in, and then put the air box back in, and then find the cover for that, and then freaking clean up my damn tool mess, and call it a wrap. My friend gave me some gloves, but I don't even use them. So alright guys, see you guys in the next video.